Possible workaround if you have a ignition lock cylinder issue on your car. If you have a 2004, possibly 2005, 2006 Pontiac GTO, the ignition issue. So press the key in, and normally that's how it's supposed to turn. However, if you go all the way in too far, sometimes you can have this issue where it won't turn. So it's the ignition lock cylinder, which is in here, but what it is you might be putting the key in too far. So try to squeeze out the key a little bit and see if it'll loosen up, if it'll go in. What I found, it seems like there's a little bit of detent to where a little sweet spot where your key actually will work right, and you got to find that to be able to turn the key. So if you push it all the way in, you can have this issue right here. If you pull it out just a little bit, you can feel that detent or that little spot, and it'll probably work correctly. So just an idea before you start modifying your car, drilling in it and stuff like that. And what I found, basically, like over the guide pins that are in the ignition lock cylinder, if you go too far, you'll have some of them that are sticking out, and they're supposed to all be flush. But if you got one or two of them sticking out because the key is in too far, then the key won't turn. So, but you know, just something to consider or to try, and I hope this helps.